Good morning, student. Welcome back to our science class. We are going to start chapter number 14, Water, part 3. Now, let us revise what we have learned in previous session. Uses of water, sources of water, water cycle. We have learned in water cycle the processes evaporation, transpiration, and condensation. Now, let us see. Today we are going to learn about flood, drought, water conservation, rainwater harvesting. In rainwater harvesting, there are two methods. First, rooftop rainwater harvesting. Second, roadside drain. Now, let us start. In our country, most of the rainfall occurs during monsoon season. In India, farmers mostly depend upon rainwater for agriculture. Children, do you think about it? What happens if it rains heavily? Let us see. If rain falls heavily for a long time, then flood occurs. Heavy rains rises in the level of water in river, lakes and ponds and submerge the surrounding areas. Water collected in house, in farms, on roads, in shops and animals also wash away. Flood destroy life and property, lead to unemployment in area. People become jobless and migrate towards their cities. Children, now think about what happens if it does not rain for a long period. Then it occurs drought. It is exactly opposite of flood. Drought occurs when there is a very little rainfall or no rainfall. Agriculture is badly affected by drought. Deforestation is one of the main causes of drought. The longer period of drought brings famine. During drought, the rivers, ponds, well becomes dry. Drinking water becomes reduced. There is no water to plow the fields. Even drinking water is hardly available to drink. There is a shortage of food grain and water. Now, let us see our next topic, water conservation. As we already discussed about in last session, 2/3 part of the earth is covered with water, and from that very few amount of water is fresh water. Growing population, growing industries, and for agriculture, we need lots of water. Huge consumption of water is causing reduction of available water. Children, we need to think different ways of save and conservation of water. We can see here wrong and correct ways. One important method to conserve water is rainwater harvesting. Water comes on the earth's surface with rain and it collected in river, pond, stream and river water get ultimately collected in ocean. Means usable water is lost in the ocean. Catching, collecting, and storing rainwater is called rainwater harvesting. See the methods of rainwater harvesting. There are two methods of rainwater harvesting. First is rooftop rainwater harvesting. In this method, rainwater get collected on rooftop. It can be transferred in storage tank through water pipe. In storage tank may contains soil particles and impurities. It needs to be filtered to remove impurities. After that, this water can be used for daily activities. Now, let us see the second method. Instead of storing rainwater on rooftop, it can be stored into the pit, into the ground, where rainwater seeps into the ground. Seep water is added to groundwater and it helps to increase water level. Here you can see prevention of water. Roadside drain. Rainwater falling on the road get collected in the drain. The drain should be modified. Rainwater is entering in them, get sipped directly into the soil. This water can be collected in storage well. Hope you understood from this lesson how water is precious for us. We should not waste water. We should conserve it. Save water, save life. Thank you.